Hello guys, welcome to this new YouTube video, and today we'll be playing with Tahana. We need to go get the storm. Get in your car.
Nah, I want to drive like this.
Oh my god, you...
Your car, bro. Your car.
At least it's faster.
And we need to go full mile per hour.
Same.
Party at the beach.
Dami Kubo Kupena.
Missing at your butt with the cover gun down. Missing at your butt with the cover gun down.
Do you even know what a couple bum Ugana is?
Yeah?
What?
The drink.
Kubo Kupena, sipping kanapishka, my black yoga pants. Nah, it's actually a gay.
Huh?
It's gay. It's what gay people use.
No?
What did Zion just say? Party at night.
That is a big tornado.
Should I go down this road? Do you think I could make it? Do you think I could make it?
Bro, it's a big red.
Do you think I can make it?
Are you on a fast road?
No. I'm on a slow road coming right down.
Nah, I don't think so.
But look, I'm right where it is. Like, look on the radar. Party at the beach down in Cubana, sipping calapish, got my black yoga pants on. I just did a diarrhea in my pants on. Can I make this? Can I hit it? Holy, why is it so dark?
93 wind speed. I'm in the pool.
You are?
Yeah. Yep, I'm in the pool. 93. Wait, what happened?
Yeah, you're not in the core.
I am. I'm in the pool. But I was in the pool. 114.
114. Double tornado.
Everybody run!
I didn't get to place a probe. 119. That's the only thing I saw.
190 wind speed.
Bro, this ain't even fast. I can easily just undeploy. Maybe I should deploy. Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't realize that it was right next to me.
oh shit, I'm probably gonna get flamed.
I got 140 something wins.
I got
Oh, good body again. It's outside. This is kind of crazy.
this tornado.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that.
Like that big boy wins.
Bro.
But the big boy wins though.
Oh, there's like clouds right next to the ground.
It was a year 3.
Yeah.
Wait, could this turn into the big old dead man walking?
No, I don't think so. So we have. I'm riding it like I'm in the perfect spot. No, I'm not.
Are you on like this road?
Yeah.
Party at that beach down in Cubana. Year 5. Do you think we could make it?
I think so. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make it.
Oh, I'm right behind you.
That's pretty big.
If you even do go on it, we might die.
Why?
Cause when we're undeployed. But we still are making it.
Still.
That means it's coming for you.
Oh, it's heading straight into this house. Yep, it's heading straight into this house.
I didn't deploy.
Yeah, we're gonna need to.
Get in your car.
No! Shut your mouth! Yeah,
Are you in?
yes.
We're in the back seat. 119 right now.
I got 127.
About to get some big boy wins. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's pretty good.
I got more than you.
Hey, but those wins are pretty good. Well, you can jump out of your car.
Why would I place my pride down?
Bro. Sipping kalapishka, a black yoga pants on. Bro, why am I driving off the...
Dying.
Okay, let's not get it. Follow me, follow me. Holy! Why am I lagging?
Bye. You only like very light winds.
That wasn't very good. At first it was pretty good when it wasn't at year 5.
But when it was absolute garbage. No, it was a little bit better than the other one. 59 wind speed.
Yeah, go on the fast road. Is there a tornado? Look on the radar. Tornado. I'm joking. Oh my god.
This is tornado. I'm gonna stop at right about here.
Wait, which way did you turn?
Turn.
Turn right?
Yeah, turn right.
Shot. Is it gonna hit you?
No, I'm just talking out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna park right here and turn around. Oh my. This pole, no. Pole, please don't betray me like this. Don't betray me. Thank you, Paul. How can we repay the pole, and where are you going to, Hannah? You're going wrong way.
It has to be heading towards me.
No, it's not. Look, radar. Updated. Update.
Now, how's your update faster than mine?
Look. Update. It's coming over here.
You're going down.
Mine's already at 20 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12. Should we even go towards the tornado? Maybe don't look how big it is.
Can't even see it.
You can't. Holy!
Oh, damn!
That's a big boy.
Not bigger than my biggest one.
Yeah, not bigger.
My biggest one probably like, I don't know, like 2.8 miles long.
It's only 0.2 miles bigger. To be honest, that might be coming straight towards me.
Moving very slowly.
Bro. Sipping kalapishka.
But you know what big boys mean? It means you can intercept it very good.
Huh?
If there's a big boy, that means you can like intercept it easy.
Yeah.
Small tornadoes.
But if you go in the core of it, you are absolutely cooked.
So this house is cooked. I'm like a little bit back. Holy, it's shifting back.
I'm deploying here.
Oh, you're missing that so big.
Trust me. It's hitting me.
Oh my god.
See, Tahana! Look! Look, Tahana.
I'm in the pool,
I'm in the middle. What did you get?
87, 105.
Try to get some big boys in. I can undeploy now. Wait, maybe not.
127, I got 105.
I don't know if I can hop out of my car. Yeah, I can. Shall we intercept it again?
I'm F2 then.
That was pretty strong for the F2. Okay, let's head on Melissa Fast Road, where the fast roads connect. Do you know where that is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just follow me.
Like, it's only like on the radar, like not that far. Bow, bow, bow. Pretty good tornado. The other one, that EF3, it's good. Pretty good, 120 something. Okay, after this, wait.
Well, I'm not going near.
Hmm?
Bro, you went past. Oh.
No?
Oh, yeah.
Melissa Fast Road is over here. And the cape went higher, I think.
Bro, it went like left. Bro, it went like it went left before you got it intercept. I don't think I have ever.
What's that?
I don't think I ever died in once.
Keep it going forwards. Don't stop.
Why?
Tornado. I'm dragging. Yeah, the tornado. On to that. Bro, these power balls were not near anything.
But I haven't even died.
What the? You saw that, right?
What?
A thunder, like a lightning, just went like to the other side of the map.
You saw it?
Did you see it?
No.
Oh, you saw it? We turn here.
Oh yeah, we can.
Oh, I see that tornado. Touch the ground. Can you see it?
Nope.
Oh, I think you passed it.
Wow, I see the funnel there.
I see the whole entire thing. Look. Wait. That's hitting the ground. Come back over here.
I'm not the perfect spot.
Well, it's not going that way.
It's already is too.
Yeah, over here would be good.
One forward.
Hmm?
One forward.
Yeah, it's fast.
Forward.
No. You don't need fast road. Holy. Yup, it's like a web. A mini web. Yeah. Oh, lots of time. Oh no. Yeah, maybe, yeah, you died in the den. I'm by a swim. Maybe.
No, I'll never die because when I go to the tornado, this time I'm gonna do that.
I don't think you have enough time to play. I'll tell you if your dumb survives, because it's 158 wind speed. 100, yeah. 58. Oh, yep, your dumb one just flew away. Yeah, it flew off. Yeah, I'm about to get some windows. Oh, my dick is shaking. What?
What?
Look at those wind speeds!
But I was getting dragged away.
Oh, those wind speeds are crazy.
Bro, and I didn't even die. I didn't even die.
You got 127, I got 179. I still can't hop out of my car.
And I died, but I didn't even die.
Oh, that's crazy.
Bro, and I jumped out of my car.
Why would you?
To place down a probe.
Why? Why would you even try?
I don't know.
Did you feel like a dum-dum?
No. I smell like what am I saying? I wouldn't go up that way. Oh, I'm about to get kicked out of the game.
Why?
Because I'm lagging.
That doesn't mean you're gonna get kicked out. Probably of your graphics. Bro, but that tornado was shaking my car. Or was that the breeze?
Breathe. Flying.
What are you saying?
What?
You're like the breathe. What flying?
The blue.
Flippy floppy.
I'm gonna take that one.
Or at least you're not
But
lagging
look,
as much.
see?
At least you didn't lag as much as me.
But oh my. Oh, that is so laggy. That is absolute
Well,
laggy.
at least mine doesn't crash.
To be honest, I think your thing.
It's better.
Mine's more better
Yeah, it is.
because it has more internet.
True. Okay. Well, this is getting cooked.
Wow, what does that mean? Oh, I can't spawn in it. I can't spawn in Militia.
Yeah, maybe because it's getting respawned. The flip was that? Yeah, we can't chase that storm anymore.
Or is it at night?
Yeah, it's dying. Should we do something?
Do what?
Mm-hmm. Guys, see you in the next video. Peace.